Hello guys, in this topic we will discuss today about asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which only one parent is required. So what we will discuss? We will discuss about asexual reproduction. As you are aware about sexual reproduction may always two parents were needed. One of the parent is male parent there, which we call as father, and another parent is female parent, which we call as mother. But if we talk about asexual reproduction, then asexual reproduction require only one parent, and that single parent is not classified with any particular sex. Means we can't call that as a male or a female, we just call that as a parent. Clear? Okay. So most of the lower organism which have simple body design, they reproduce by asexual method. But if we talk about higher organism whose body design is complex, they reproduce only by sexual method. As we human beings, we have a complex body design, so we reproduce by sexual method. So now we will discuss about types of asexual method. So there are two type of asexual method mentioned in your syllabus. Otherwise there are many more also. So we will particularly discuss two types only. The first type is called budding. First type of asexual reproduction is budding, and second type of asexual reproduction is called binary fission. Binary fission. So first of all we will discuss about the first type, that is budding. You might have seen hydra in books. Its picture you might have seen. Have a look at this picture. This is hydra. This is an aquatic organism. It's a multicellular organism और बहुत simple body design होता है उसका, और it reproduce by asexual method. And which method do it opt for reproduction? It reproduces by budding method. Now what is bud? You should know. This is the body of hydra. You can see from its body a small projection is bulging outside. बाहर की तरफ एक छोटी सी projection निकल रही है. This projection is known as bud. So gradually this bud grows. Here the size has grown a lot. Here it has grown into a complete hydra. And when it grows sufficient in size, it gets separated from the parent body and it live as an individual life, as an individual hydra. So we can say that this hydra is a baby of this particular hydra. And how many parents were there? This is the baby parent, this is the baby hydra, and this is the parent hydra. So how many parents were there? Only one parent. So that is why it is asexual reproduction. So what is bud? You have to write definition of bud from here. So what you will write? What is a bud? Bud is a small outgrowth. It is a small outgrowth from the body of the parent which grows there, and finally it detaches from the parent's body and grow as an independent organism. So this is called budding. So what is the most common example of budding? Its example is hydra. One more example I would like to tell you. Have you heard about yeast? Yes, yeast is a single cell. This is yeast. It is a single celled fungus. And we use yeast to make bread and bread, cake, etc. तो उसमें yeast डलता है. So whenever this yeast reproduce, it also reproduce by budding method. So what happen? A small bud grows out from the parent body. But in this case of yeast, when the bud is still attached to the parent, it grows another bud. And in this way, a long chain of bud is formed here. And with the passage of time, कुछ bud यहाँ से detach होके separate होती जाती है and live as an independent yeast. So we can say that budding also occur in a kind of fungus which is called yeast. Clear? Now we will discuss about second type of asexual reproduction, which is called binary fission. Children, you might be aware about the term binary. In computer you are using this term binary. Binary always means two. And fission means division, split हो जाना, split or divide हो जाना. So in binary fission what happened? It is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent organism split to form two daughter organism. You can see here, I am showing here in the diagram. In this diagram as I am showing, yeah, you can have a look here in the diagram. This is shown amoeba here. So if you look at the diagram carefully, you can see this is the single amoeba here. So finally, we have got two amoebas from it. And how does it happen? I'll explain it. Amoeba is having an irregular body. This is amoeba. This is the nucleus. First of all, what happened? The nucleus of amoeba, it elongates like this. Nucleus लंबा हो जाता है first of all. लंबा हो जाता है. Then it divides into two parts. ठीक है. So now the third diagram will be this is amoeba and here are two nuclei. And after the division of nucleus, its cytoplasm also divide and we got two amoebas. This is one amoeba, this is second amoeba. So both these amoeba are called daughter amoeba. They are the daughter amoeba, and who is the parent? This is the parent. So how many daughters are formed? How many daughter individual are formed from the parent individual? As two daughter are formed, that is why it is called binary fission. Fission क्यों बोला? क्योंकि parent is directly dividing into two daughter of amoebas. So this is called binary fission. Children, there is multiple fission also. मल्टीपल फिजन में व्हाट हैपन, एज द नेम इंडिकेट, मल्टीपल फिजन में जो पेरेंट होता है, पेरेंट सेल जो होता है, इट डिवाइड टू फॉर्म लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डॉटर सेल. लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डॉटर सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. It divide to form many daughter cell, and this happens in case of plasmodium. You might have heard name of plasmodium. Plasmodium is the causative agent of malaria. So plasmodium causes us malaria. Right, children? So that is all about this topic. Thank you.